Hey guys, this is Andrew over at besttestscores.com. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to solve an SAT math problem. And you can see here it says, what is the value of 16 to the x divided by 2 to the y if 4x minus y equals 5? Now, the first thing you want to do is look at your answer choices. So see we've got three answer choices here that they're in the form of some number to the power of another number. So we want our answer to look like that. If our answer does not, if we come up with just a number itself, then we've done something wrong. And I underlined choice D down there. It says cannot be determined from given information. That may be an answer choice. When you are taking the actual SAT, I'd advise you, if you do have to guess, don't guess that one. It's possible that could be the answer, but if you're going to choose cannot be determined from given information, I want you to be absolutely sure that you're correct before you select that as your answer choice. All right? So what is the value of 16 to the x over 2 to the y if 4x minus y equals 5? And what we're going to do first, I'm going to zoom in a little here. We're going to take this 16 to the x and we're going to break that down. So we know that 16 is 4 squared, right? Because 4 times 4 equals 16. So this up here is the same thing as 4 to the 2 to the x. But we also know that 4 is 2 squared. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, and all of that is to the power of x. All that's to say, I don't know if you remember this from Algebra 2 or not, but when you have one exponent raised to another exponent, you can simply multiply those exponents. So in this case, we've got 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, to the power of x, and then 4 times x is 4x. So now what we've got is a function that looks like this. So I'm changing the 16 to the x. We're now going to put in the 2 to the 4x for the 16 to the x over 2 to the y. And again, going back to Algebra 2, when you're dividing two numbers that have the same base, you subtract those exponents. So this is the same thing as 2 to the 4x minus y. And they told us in the original problem that 4x minus y equals 5. So this is 2 to the 5th power, which is choice A. All right, I hope that makes sense. I know that was a little, got a little messy there, and trying to fiddle with this and do it on my phone, so it got a bunch together there at the end, but I hope that makes sense to you. If you're still working on trying to get your best score yet, if you're going to take the SAT again and you need, say, another 60, 70, 100 points on the SAT, head on over to besttestscores.com, all one word, and let's get started today.